Right.
Good morning everyone, welcome to Thorpe Park. Join us for our first trip of the 2025 season. Hopefully we'll have a good year this year and get to a few different theme parks around the country. Hopefully we'll get on all the rides, as Shane's been saying, most of them have reopened thankfully in the last week or so, especially Stealth that's been closed for a few weeks, so let's hope we get on them all today. It does look rather busy even though we have got here early, so expect some long queues today, but we'll see how we get on. So we've just been on Colossus, see it go past behind us and above us. Really good ride, really enjoyed it for the first roller coaster 2025 and looking forward to get our next ride. Hopefully we saw the ride or Hyperia, but I imagine that's got a massive queue already, so we'll just see how the day takes us. So just been on Saw the Ride, had a really good ride, running really fast today actually, really fast, but really enjoyable, a little bit rough as it always is, but can't complain. Lovely day today, absolutely beautiful today, can't get a better day, but very busy though, definitely brought the crowds out. I'm not sure where we're going next, we'll look at the queue times and I'll see you after the ride. We just gone Detonator, had a really good ride as always, love that ride, brilliant drop tower, probably my favourite one in the UK, I'll be honest, really enjoy it, can't beat it. And now I'm not sure, we might have food if KFC isn't too rammed, if not we'll go on another ride then go and get some KFC afterwards.
It's the best in the UK until Hangover comes over the winter one.
Oh of course, yeah, never been on that still, maybe this year, who knows.
Rubbish.
Just a Walking Dead the ride, really enjoyed it. Felt a bit short, I don't know why, because obviously it never changes, but that ride's like the whole experience. I think they did it really well. Had a couple of live actors in the exit as well. Really good, really enjoyed it. I'm not sure what we're going to do next, but I'll see you after whatever we do next. Had a really good ride, really enjoyed it, lovely and smooth B&M wing coaster, never gets old this, absolutely love it, and I think all being well, we're off to Stealth next, so I'll see you after the ride. So we've just been on Nemesis Inferno, really good ride, we're mid-train, row 4, so middle as you can get pretty much, really smooth and really fast. God, I love Nemesis Inferno, one of my favourite rides here. Really enjoyed it. We're getting towards the end of the day now. It's been a beautiful evening though. Cracking day in terms of weather today. Couldn't have asked for better really. And I'm going to go do our last ride now, Hyperia. Left to the end. It's still 90 minutes, so let's go and do that and then the end of the day. So just our last ride of the day on Hyperia, really good ride, really enjoyed it, can't go wrong with Hyperia. A little bit rough I thought, we were on row 4, sound a bit rattly, but you know, nice and intense always, and that outward bank sort of inversion right at the far end, oh what a sensation, almost feels like going to fall out. But overall, really good day, can't fault it. As much as it's been busy, we have got a lot of rides, a lot of the queues been overestimated, we managed to make quite a lot of time throughout the day, sort of, you know, 80 minutes being 60 minutes and all that, so thank you for watching. Enjoyed being behind the camera, showing it all in front of the camera. If you have liked our video, give it a like, help it share it out with the algorithm of YouTube. If you haven't already, please join the family day to this family by subscribing, hitting that notification bell so you know when all our latest videos come out. And if you haven't, or if you want to, leave a comment in the comment section, say hi, ask a question, make a suggestion, or say anything else. See you next time.